Hey loves, so I'm going to use my MAC NC45 Pro Concealer. I'm going to color correct, and I already primed my face with MAC Prep and Prime already. And I'm going to take my Laura Mercier foundation in the color Suntan, and I'm going to apply that with my fingers. Now I'm going to use a flat top brush to blend out my foundation, and then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender to just smooth everything out. Now I'm going to highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to apply it underneath my eye, my cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Please make sure you're subscribed and like the video if you're enjoying it. The contour, I'm going to use the shade Espresso from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I know you're thinking it's too dark for me. I know it's dark because that's the only dark concealer I have right now at the moment. But if you blend everything out, it's going to look like flawless. So the key to doing makeup is always to blend. Like if you have to go over something like 15 times, go over it 15 times. 30 times, go over 30 times, because you want a flawless face. The key to this is to have perfect skin. Spray my face with Fix Plus, and the brush I'm using with Fix Plus so it can blend easy. So I'm going to go between the e.l.f. Strimple brush and the beauty blender to blend out my contour, because you want it to be just perfect. You want everything blended, so you have to go through different little tools to blend out your makeup sometimes. So yeah, so just keep blending. It's gonna go back and forth. Just keep blending. And I let my highlight sit in my face because I feel like it looks better when I let my highlight just sit in my face. And you always blend out your contour first, because you don't want to do your highlight and then the contour. It's gonna mess up the contour whatever you put it at if you blend it out all the way. To use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to take the beauty blender to press this into my skin so it can set. And yeah, you don't want anything to move. You don't want anything movement, especially if you stay somewhere where it's hot. It's cold at the moment because I can get away with it, but if you stay somewhere hot, you have to set. I don't care, especially if you have oily skin and dry skin. Like, you need to put some powder on your face so nothing moves. And then I want to take the Laura Mercier my pressed powder from them, and I'm going to set the rest of my face, and then I'm going to wipe off my translucent powder with the same brush. take my MAC Cool Neutral palette, and I'm going to use that dark brown color. That's going to be a transition shade. With another blending brush, I'm going to use the shade Savage from the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going to put that on top of the dark brown shade, and I'm going to blend it out. After I blended everything out, I took a flat brush and put some concealer to make a little bit of a mini little semicircle cut crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Revolve from the same palette, and I'm going to put that on top. It's going to be like towards the center and the front of my eye. After that's done, I just put some eyeliner on and some lashes. Then I'm going to go back in with the MAC palette and take that light pink shade and put that onto my lower eyelid. To highlight my face, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sweets and Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Taffy. And I'm going to use like a little flat brush, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Not all over my face, literally, but you know, my cheekbone, my nose, my eyebrow bone, and my inner corners. And lastly, I'm going to use my MAC lip liner in the shade Cork and the lipstick in Whirl. And that's the completed look. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a wonderful day.